Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear students, I am your Ifat ma'am. Hope you are all well. This class is meant for the students of Green Hills Experimental School enrolled in class 3rd. The lesson we are about to talk is living and non-living things. So dear students, you open the page number 41 of your book and your topic is living and non-living things. First of all, I will give you a brief introduction about living and non-living things. We see many things around us. These things can be divided into two groups, living and non-living. People, animals and plants are living things. Living things eat food, living things grow, living things can move from one place to another. Living things breathe, living things have young ones, living things feel. Non-living things cannot eat, breathe or feel. They cannot move or grow. They also cannot have babies. Non-living things are divided into two groups, natural things and man-made things. Natural things are found in nature. These are not made by man. Man-made things are found in nature. These are made by man. Now let's start our topic. So in the beginning of the lesson, there are some warm-up puzzles given. So you have to solve it and draw or paste the picture in the box. And you have to write whether it's living or non-living. So first one is, I am furry. I walk on four legs. I catch mice. Who am I? Its answer is cat. Am I a living thing? Options are given here. Options are yes or no. So its answer is yes. Number 2 is, I am fat and round. I bounce and roll. I am fun to play with. Who am I? Its answer is ball. Am I a living thing? Its answer is no. We can see many things around us. There are human beings, plants and animals. There are toys, vehicles, books, furniture and buildings. There is the sun, the moon, stars, mountains, air and water. Some of these are living while some others are non-living. Human beings, plants and animals are living things. The sun, the moon, stars, mountains, rocks, sand, soil, air and water are non-living things. However, they are all present in nature, so they are natural non-living things. Toys, vehicles, books, furniture and buildings are also non-living things. But they are not found in nature. They are made by man, so they are man-made non-living things. Now activity is given. Look at the picture given below and see whether the numbered non-living things are natural or man-made. Dear students, here are some things to tell you about which one is natural and which one is man-made. Everything has been given a number and you have to tell whether it is natural or man-made and write down in the table given below. So number 1 is aeroplane. It's man-made. Number 2, bridge, man-made. Number 3, mountains, natural. Number 4, house, man-made. Number 5, bench, man-made. Number 6, well, man-made. Number 7, water, natural. Number 8, rocks, natural. Now formative assessment. Fill in the blanks. Human beings, plants and animals are dash dash things. Number 2. Stars, mountains, air and water are dash dash non-living things. Number 3 is toys, vehicles and books are dash dash non-living things. Answer of first one is human beings, plants and animals are living things. Number 2. Stars, mountains, air and water are natural non-living things. Number 3 is toys, vehicles and books are man-made non-living things. Now, differences between living and non-living things. There are a number of differences between living and non-living things. Living things can do many things on their own. Non-living things cannot do anything by themselves. Living things can move. Animals move from one place to place in search of food, shelter, and to protect themselves by running away from enemies. Many animals use legs to walk or run. Snakes do not have legs, but they crawl with the help of their scales. Birds use wings to fly. Fish swim with the help of fins and tail. As you can see in the pictures given here, a cheetah is running, a snake is crawling, a bird is flying, a fish is swimming. Plants cannot move from one place to another like animals, but they also show some movements. Some of these movements are very slow and can be observed over a long period of time. For example, sunflowers turn their face slowly towards the sun. As it moves in the sky, a bud opens up into a flower in a few days. But some plant movements are quite fast and can be seen easily. For example, the leaves of the mimosa touch me not plant close down quickly when you touch them. Non-living things do not move by themselves. Your toy car will move only when you make it move. Living things grow. Living things grow and change. As you can see in the pictures, a baby grows into an adult, a fawn grows into a deer, a sapling grows into a tree. Non-living things do not grow, a table or a computer do not grow. Living things need food. Living things need food to grow. Food gives them energy to work. Human beings and animals eat plants and other animals. Plants make their own food with the help of air, water, sunlight and soil. Plants take in water and nutrients through their roots. Non-living things do not need food. Your doll or teddy bear do not eat food. Living things breathe. Human beings and most animals breathe in air through their nose. Fish have gills and insects have air holes to breathe. Plants take in air through tiny holes in their leaves. Non-living things do not breathe. Your teddy bear, toy or your doll will not get suffocated if you close their nose. Living things reproduce. Producing young ones is called a reproduction. Human beings and some animals like elephants and cats give birth to their young ones. Birds, fish, snakes and lizards lay eggs. The young ones grow inside the egg for a few days, then the eggs hatch and the young ones come out. Most plants give rise to new plants with the help of seeds. A seed grows into a seedling and later into a big plant. Non-living things do not reproduce. Your doll or car will not have young ones. Living things feel. You can feel the presence of someone from his voice, by seeing him or by touching him. You can feel pain if someone pinches you on the skin. You can also feel whether an object is hot or cold, soft or hard, smooth or rough by touching it. Animals too have feelings. Human beings and animals have sense organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin to feel and be aware of the changes taking place around them. Plants can also feel their surroundings. Plants can feel the presence of sunlight and their branches try to grow towards it. Plant roots grow towards the area where water is easily available. Non-living things do not have feelings. Your toys will not feel any pain if you pinch them. Formative assessment we have here. Unscramble the letters of the words and complete the sentence. So the sentence which is given here is living things grow, move and feel. Now some fill in the blanks are given here with some options and you have to choose the correct option. Number 1 is branches of plants grow towards dash dash. Options are sunlight or ground. Number 2 is snakes reproduce by laying dash dash. Options are eggs or seeds. Number 3 fish breathe through dash dash. Options are air holes or gills. Number 4 animals have dash dash. Options are leaves or feelings. Number 5 is plants grow from dash dash. Options are seeds or sunlight. Now answer first one is branches of plants grow towards sunlight. Number 2 snakes reproduce by laying eggs. Number 3 fish breathe through gills. Number 4 animals have feelings. Number 5 plants grow from seeds. Now part B, take the correct answer. Now options are also given here and you have to choose the correct option. Number 1 is it needs air to breathe. Options are doll, fish, chair. Number 2 this thing can move on its own. Options are car, lion, door. Number 3 which of the following needs food to grow? Options are man, balloon, car. It can feel. Options are dog, toy, pencil. Number 5 which one of the following can reproduce? Options are cat, book, stools. Number 6 it is a man-made thing. Options are dove, clouds, aeroplane. Number 7 this is not a living thing. Options are windmill, dog, plants. Now the answer of first one is it needs air to breathe. Its answer is fish. Number 2 this thing can move on its own. Answer is lion. Number 3 which of the following needs food to grow? Answer is man. Number 4 it can feel. Answer is dog. Number 5 which one of the following can reproduce? Answer is cat. Number 6. It is a man-made thing. And its answer is aeroplane. Number 7. This is not a living thing. Answer is windmill. Now part C. Answer the following questions in one sentence. Question number 1 is name 2 natural non-living things. Question number 2. Name 2 man-made non-living things. Question number 3. Why do animals move from place to place? Number 4. Why do living things eat food? Number 5. How do plants breathe? Now answer first one is name 2 natural non-living things. Answer is stars and mountains are the 2 natural non-living things. Question number 2. Name 2 man-made non-living things and its answer is books and furniture are the 2 man-made non-living things. Question number 3. Why do animals move from place to place? And its answer is animals move from place to place in search of food, shelter, and to protect themselves by running away from enemies. Question number 4. Why do living things eat food? Answer is living things eat food because they need food to grow. Question number 5 is how do plants breathe? And its answer is plants breathe through their tiny holes in their leaves. Now part D. Snooky the giant snake has swallowed some living things. Find out their names and write them below. So dear students, here the diagram of a snake is given in which body of snake contains many letters. So you have to combine those letters by which you can make the names of some living things. So name of some living things are owl, insects, lion, tree, goat, snake, dog. Now part E, answer these questions. Question number 1 is give 3 examples to show that plants also move. Question number 2 is how do animals and plants produce young ones? Question number 3 is which organs help us in feeling the things around us? Now the answer of first one is give 3 examples to show that plants also move. And its answer is the 3 examples which shows us plants also move are as under. Number 1. Sunflowers turn their face slowly towards the sun as it moves in the sky. Number 2. A bud opens up into a flower in a few days. Number 3. The leaves of the touch me not plant close down quickly when we touch them. Question number 2 is how do animals and plants produce young ones? Answer is some animals produce young ones by giving birth them and some produce young ones by laying eggs. Most plants give rise to new plants with the help of seeds. A seed grows into a seedling and later into a big plant. Question number 3. Which organs help us in feeling the things around us? Answer is sense organs such as eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin help us in feeling the things around us. Thank you dear students. Take care of yourselves. Dear students, you all know that all the people in the world are worried due to pandemic COVID-19 disease. I hope Allah will fix everything soon and we will spend our normal life as we used to spend. So my dear students, take care of yourself till the life become normal.